Hey, what's up, DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We are referencing our Chrysler Pacifica, and in today's video, we're going to show you the quick and friendly steps on how to reset your oil life. Basically, bring it back up to 100%. Let's take a look. We're outside, and in front of us is our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. Let's hop inside the vehicle and continue the project. We're now inside the vehicle and everything is off, and we are going to turn on the ignition, and we are not going to press the brake pedal nor the gas pedal. We're going to keep our feet off those pedals and back by the seat. However, coming over to our engine start push, and we are going to push it twice. We're first going to push it, let go, wait about 3 to 5 seconds, and the electronic system has turned on. However, the ignition is off. Coming back down, we want to turn on the ignition. Again, no feet on the pedal. Engine start stop. Coming back up, the ignition is now on and everything is booting up and registering, and shortly you will see the oil change required, as you see right there. And again, we just got an oil change, and unfortunately they forgot to reset it. So what we're going to do is come back here to our steering wheel and to the left side. Again, there's the center wheel. We see 4 arrows surrounding an OK button, and we are going to basically select up or down. That will be personal preference. However, stay away from left and right. Coming back up, we're going to select the up, and we are going to cycle through the settings on the instrument cluster until we get to vehicle info. And there's the message again, oil change required. Yes, we know it's already been changed. We need to clear that. Trip info, again, we're looking for vehicle info. And there it is. It might be easier for you to go down as opposed to up. However, again, we're at vehicle info. Now we are going to shift to the right and find our oil. There's the trans temp, oil temp. And there it is, oil life 0%. And we are going to come back and we are going to press and hold the OK button. And as we press and hold that, it is going to reset our oil life. I am selecting the OK now, again, pushing and holding. And just like that, oil life has been reset to 100%. From here, I'm going to put my foot on the gas pedal and push the engine start stop and start the engine. And the change oil message or annunciation should no longer come up. Back to our speedometer. And very soon after engine start, that oil change required triggers and illuminates. And as you can see, it is not. And DIYers, that's it. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.